Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and I want to show you guys some happy mail I received. I got this from Pham from LiviesLovelies, and look at the package. She stamped it. She knows I love Paris because I'm a Parisian girl, or someone who loves the Parisian theme. And she's got these beautiful stamps with the Eiffel Tower and the dress form and all these little pretty things on here. Look at there. So that's how the packaging came. I love that. And I've got some use for this envelope. So I want to carefully open it, so I'm shaking it to make sure everything kind of goes down that way, because I'm just going to barely cut across because I don't want to cut anything inside. Okay, so oh, look at this. Beautiful paper with the stamped images. I love that. Sonya. Just a few crafty pieces to use in your summer journal. Enjoy, Pham. I love that. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. That's beautiful. Oh, look at that faith. I love how she's got this wrapped up in this tissue. This is so pretty. I just love the way that people take the time out and just decorate the packaging. This is so neat. Be careful with this because, you know, I'm going to use this tissue. Everything in here I can use in my stuff, in my journals and stuff. Let me try to be careful to open this up. Oh, look at there. She's got some pineapples. Let me open these up. Hold it. I love these little. This is perfect for our little summer trip because it's got the summery, warm, vacationing zone theme to it, you know. Look at the, oh. So I've got like some chipboard pieces, like the lemons and pineapples and watermelon, little chipboard pieces that I can color or paint and stuff. And then we've got some pretty glittery pineapples and some, this is the pretty yellow pineapples. Look at that, that is so pretty. I love that. I'm going to add that to my journals. Let me put these back in here. And then I got some little bling. Look at there. I love that. I've got the blues and the gold and and the different colors and stuff that match our packages, our color style, our color theme. Let me take these out. Yes, look at there. We've got our little gold bling. And I like how these are on here too, how she's got them presented. The blue, I love blues. And the pretty pinks and greens. Hold on, let me take this off. Oops. I think I took one of them off. I can fix that. I can use these, y'all, so just relax. But yeah, we've got our pretty blues, and they're like they're kind of like, I like to think of them as like candy because I like sweet treats. Look at there, they're kind of like gumball, like gumball drops a little bit. I love that. Or not gumball, but gumdrops. The little sugar candies. I love that. That's what that reminds me of. Because I have a sweet tooth. I love sweet stuff. I'm like a little kid. who likes to eat junk food. That's me. I've got this turned sideways because I'm still going to use that, but I'm afraid if I pick it up right now, it's going to peel up the paper. So I'm going to set this to the side. Oh, look at this. Now, I have never seen any napkins like that with the little flamingos on it, the little pink flamingos. Look at that. I have never seen any like that. That is so neat. Is it 2-ply? I think it probably is 2-ply. I'm not sure, but I'll check it out when I go to use it. This is really neat. And I like that impression that the pink flamingo has on this one right here. I could like paint that blue or something. I don't know, but I've got some ideas for these beautiful napkins. And look at this. I love that. Got the pretty butterflies, the pretty summery colors. And all of this matches our kits, our Vintage Summer Road Trip kits. And this is pretty. Is this a napkin or is this paper? This is paper. Cardstock. This is pretty. Double-sided. Got the lemons on there. Oh, this is perfect because it's got the summery kind of vibe to it. And then we have some more of these pretty like flowers and birds. Really pretty. So I have 2 of these and I have 2 of these. These are really pretty. I'm loving this. Oh yes, we got a little notepad, or I can use this for a notepad or journaling spots with the pretty little lemons on there. Oh my goodness, here we go with our little traveling. Yes, I'm loving this. Got the little glasses, got the suitcase, got your little camper. Let's go. Say cheese, take pictures. Oh, I'm getting ready to have fun with this. I like all of these. And we got our cute little letters and stuff. Our summary letters. I'm loving this, Pham. Thank you guys so much. Oh my goodness. First I got some, Thelisha had sent some too, so we're all going to put all of our goodies and Happy Mail and stuff like that in some of our journals and stuff. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned, and I'm going to give you the link to Pham's her Facebook page. She has an Etsy shop, Facebook page, Instagram, and I'm going to give you a link to for her all of her social media sites and stuff like that, because she's got some beautiful art, and she's a part of our collaboration group, Crafty Trinity, and we all did not a Crafty Trinity, it's the Crafty Trinity, and it consists of myself, Thelisha, and her, and we all made some digital journal kits. And so I want you guys to come check her out, and I'll have a link in the description how you can find her. And I thank you so much for this, Pham. This is so neat. This is so wonderful to share all this stuff with me. I really appreciate that. That is just so sweet. So I hope you guys liked my little happy share. And like I said, I'm going to have a link in the description how you can find her and my other collaborator. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, like, share, follow, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other videos, my blog, and social media sites. And thank you guys so much for watching.